Welcome to Fatima and Mariam World Holiday Trip. Explore Ain Salalah. Like, comment, share. Hit subscribe. Fatima and Mariam World. Let's go. Salalah, Ain Garziz.
This is Ain Garziz.
Ain Garziz.
Yeah, this one. This is the one. This is the bird. MashaAllah. Really like this is nice picture. Huh? Ain Garziz. MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. Ain Garziz. Send this to me. Ain Garziz. MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. MashaAllah. Tabarakallah.
Ain Garziz. It's the cave. Look at the cave.
Have you seen snake?
Yes.
This for Fatima. Come here.
This is the cave in Ain Garziz.
If you want to take picture, look at me. Look here. You see this one? The water is hot.
Really? This is Ain Garziz. Oh. Ain Garziz. Ain Garziz.
The culture channel and the sport channel.
Culture channel and
Yeah.
sports channel.
Sport, culture. Honey, because really this Ain Garziz. Maybe many people after
Let's go to the cave in Ain Garziz.
Wallahi they will be happy. Maryam, if she is here, she will be happy.
Taib, we cannot come back. We cannot come back.
Many places you cannot see back or coming back. We'll check for tomorrow, inshallah.
MashaAllah.
Really, now the water, just now it came. Usually this area empty, nothing.
So they put cement, so it means sometimes there's no water here.
Not sometimes. Most of the time is not no water here.
See, all tadpoles. It's full of water here. More water. I'm going to the cave.
Get it. Good chance, get it. This is very nice if I put for my status. فرصة يا شباب، فرصة والله عين جرزيز أنا أظن إنها الحين بدأت المويه فيها، إحنا 8 أغسطس. الجو رائع، الأنوار، الجبال، الموقع جيد، ممتاز ممتاز ممتاز. صراحة فرصة اللي يبغى يجي عين جرزيز وهناك البركة. من الأشياء يعني الجميلة. And you will go there. Stay here inside the cave. Up. See? Some people they put shy, plastic, and above if they want to sleep. Really, this cave, yeah.
Pag to
They have to come here.
see, this is the cave.
If you are come here, you will just kill and put the fire here, and you will sleep. You know, during the whole time like this, really, it's nice to stay here.
Really?
And you not go down now. It's raining and cold.
This is the cave that there is no bats. So this is nice.
Huh?
Very nice water, very clear. And it's not very clear and it's not cold.
Yeah, it's just recently water. It came from the mountain.
And the good, you know, the good thing is not cold.
Here, we not feel anything.
Very nice to bath here, but it's not allowed.
You said not allowed.
Look. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. The water is so green.
Yeah. Where will you go? Where do you want to go? If I know it's like this, I'll bring them. Where is the number? Okay. يا شباب اللي في صلالة لا تفوتكم عين جرزيز صراحة فرصة.
كثير هناك ها والله ها لا تخاف عليه قطو اعفد
بس ماي نظيف ترى.
ثم بين طاح
يلا مين بيفوز يلا. هذا صافق.
يفوز
If you want to swim here, come early, like us. 7, get out from here.
Salt, really. The water is salt, yes.
This means it's came. It's nice to put your
Hot water here. Hot water. Hot water. Hot water. Cold water.
اسمع. الدراهم اول مره بعدين ايه جات وصلت دور عليها لا تكون. بسم الله. لا ما ادري. سبحان الله. Really you don't woman really that's we are what always out. Why you have to go there more you feel more happy. Honey, there isn't going there, but maybe something black.
Have a nice day.
It's too much. It's really there. It's too much.
Happy holiday. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Fatima and Mariam World. Thank you for watching. To be continued.